This is what I'm bringing for 5 days hiking hut to hut with Ruby in the Italian Alps in July. First thing, get yourself some alpine insurance for helicopter rescue with your dog as well. The Austrian Alpine Club's pretty good. And you don't need a huge backpack, so I got a 28 liter. It has a little expansion with some stretchiness to it, so maybe like a 32 would be ideal. Really, you don't need to carry a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna bring like so much extra water just because of bringing her. So I'm bringing a rescue sling, a cooling thing for scarf, a rain jacket for her, lots of dog food, of course a water bowl. Then hiking wise for hut to hut, since you don't have to carry much, it's great. 2 pairs of socks for 5 days, a pair of hut shoes, micro spikes, my shoes I like to hike in, a merino wool t-shirt, quick dry shorts, my trekking poles, sunglasses and hat, sports bra for hiking, a sports bra for hanging out in the hut, enough underwear for the whole time, and a very lightweight t-shirt and shorts to hang out in the hut and sleep in case it's crazy. I got some snow pants or rain pants, basically snow pants, a very nice rain jacket, 10,000 ml, then a sun hoodie and a mid layer. Moving over, 2 liter reservoir of water, my cool, amazing backpack with 2 extra bottles of water, and then 1 extra pair of hiking pants just in case I can't wear my hiking shorts, which is probably not gonna happen, but it is cool for hanging out at the hut at night and not getting chilly. Now our huts have saunas, so I'm gonna bring my bikini. I got a quick dry towel for showers and for going in the sauna. I'm gonna bring an ace bandage and a knee sleeve just in case. You gotta have a sleeping bag liner in huts in Europe. Eye mask and earplugs don't hurt. Blister kit. I might be a little extra with this one, but I've got patches so that in case you get hot spots on your heel or under your big toe. Band-aids. I got lots of Compeeds, which are hydrocolloid patches that if blister does happen, you put it around it and it helps it heal. A lot of toe condoms for people who get toe blisters. Not me, but almost everybody else does. It's crazy. And of course, vitamin I. My meds and vitamins, my hormone treatments, gum, reading glasses, and a couple extra power banks. I like to record the birds. Sometimes I put things in my ear at night so I can not hear other people snoring. Bring a block for Italy, where we're going, and with at least 3 extra ports for other people in case there's not that many electric outlets. And I'm gonna bring a C and an A cord just in case I have to use other people's. And then as far as toiletries go, we got a little dry shampoo instead of actual shampoo because, I don't really need to wash my hair that often. Deodorant, soap for my dog, tissues, a little bit of barrier repair cream because it's like basically moisturizer, but it also helps with small cuts and injuries. Hydration tablets, hairbrush and hair tie, tick repellent, sunscreen 50, toothbrush and toothpaste, and of course lots of chapstick. And I like putting everything in packing cubes. That way if I get hurt I can hand my cube to someone in my group and they can help me out, or vice versa. And then a fanny pack for my wallet, my good stuff, my camera. I can keep it outside my backpack, like on my hip. And then of course, amazing backpack and a couple extra liters of water and a few carabiners there.